Right, so if you've got a lawn that is thinned over the winter, then watch until the end, because in today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can create more density in the simplest ways possible. We started the resurrection of this lawn last week by chucking a bit of true grass down. The reason behind putting down a feed at this time of year is because we want to give the plants a little bit of nitrogen. What nitrogen will do is promote the growth of the plant. But there's one thing we can do which will arguably have more of an impact than just putting feed down on its own. And that is to give your lawn its first cut. By cutting the lawn, what you're doing, you're pruning it, you're sending a signal to the plant, telling it to regrow more leaf, but not just to regrow more leaf, but to send those runners off underneath the soil to create new parent plants. And again, that's what's going to give us that density that we're after. But don't go mental, don't be going agadoo, push pineapple, shake the tree. We don't want to be taking off too much of the grass plant. Ideally, you only want to be taking off the very top of the plant, and that alone will be enough. Now, if you have a look in the grass collector there, we've taken off next to nothing. So what I'm going to do is just drop the height of cut down just one extra level. Now, not a massive amount more, only a small amount, but I'm not going to stress about that too much because we don't have a bajillion grass plants like what we will have in the next few months. And again, we're only nicking the top off. With this being its first cut, we're simply there just to get things started. As the temperatures rise, as this lawn starts to get more sun, like it's in at the moment, the more the grass is going to start doing the hard work, meaning that when we get on and do the next cut, even more grass is going to come off. If we just get in over the top of the sward, this is the test of a quality lawn. You can see we still have quite a lot of bare patches, and we're going to continue to have a lot of them for the next few weeks, but slowly but surely it is going to start to recover, and I promise you now it will be golf green standard. At this stage it is daunting, but honestly, trust the process. Things will work out good in the end. It might seem really thin for today, but it's only going to be getting better week in, week out. So if you've enjoyed today's video or found it useful, feel free to give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, because we're keeping lawn care simple. We have done for the past few years, and this lawn series is one where we're taking this really thin lawn and we're taking it to golf green standard. So yeah, subscribe to follow along, and finally, thanks for watching.